Y'all know that I'm a farmer and I always have fresh veggies. I also believe in learning how to make survival foods. In case of a catastrophe, what is you gonna eat? Okay, let's say you just happen to have some veggies and it's the apocalypse and you grab your refrigerator full of veggies that's just kind of in there. Well, this is what I say you can do with that. We threw the veggies in the pot. Along with them veggies, I hoped you grabbed them beans that was sitting up off in that pantry for about 6 months and just drop them in the pot, just like that. See that? Now they down there, they in there. We just gonna let this simmer down. Now this is an apocalypse meal, y'all. See, I'm telling y'all, we ain't got no seasoning, ain't no season salt. You ain't have time to grab no pepper or no Lowry, and we just gonna let that cook. Minus the zombies, hopefully, you know, we got enough time to just let this cook for like 8 hours. You need an apocalypse meal plan. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell y'all, because if not, everybody gonna be hungry. Well, now, what do you want?
Today, this day, we have to sell my little brother because he keeps messing up my mommy's blind.
He keep messing with my blinds, so we gotta sell him.
Yep, that's why we gotta sell my little brother.
You see that? Everybody ain't gonna make it in the apocalypse. Some of them gonna get sold, and some of them just ain't gonna make it to the bunker in time. You got 20 minutes to make it to the bunker. You don't make it to the bunker in 20 minutes, you're gonna be popped. Boston wanna sell you.
No. Me want to sell him.
Y'all know y'all want to be in my bunker, baby. When the apocalypse pop off, you know you gonna want to be in the bunker with Nancy. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Yes. All right, y'all. So it's all done. But I did have to go ahead and spruce it up a little bit. I added some sausage because my husband likes sausage, and I made some side rice because that's his thing. Oh yeah, y'all. So handmade, natural, farm fresh. Oh yeah. That is an apocalyptic survival meal. Yes.